Guys, we got a new toy. Wait. No, that's not this piece of crap. Yeah. We got a new toy in the mail. We're going to unbox it, take it out, hit some mud and some jumps, and see how well it does. Guys, tell me that thing doesn't look awesome. Amazing. So this is now my second Arrma. I'm starting to really like these things. Let's take a look underneath. Alright guys, by the probably 500 videos out there unboxing these, we all know we got a weak spot here. These arms are made of glass. We're probably going to end up breaking this chassis brace. I don't know. This is the V5 Kraton 6S. Like I said, we're going to run it on some 6S batteries right out of the box, and we're going to see how this thing performs. And we're going to probably bend a chassis. It's alright. I'm going to have to order a bash bar for it. It's still a pretty thin chassis, and it's just everything I've seen, they always break. So other than that, this can't be, this truck here cannot be any worse than this truck. This thing here breaks every single time it goes out, and it's not cheap brakes either, not arms or I don't know, cheap stuff. It turns into an expensive fix every time. I've put 3 or 4 differentials in it, front and rear. This is actually a brand new one. I broke a steel drive shaft on it. I've broken multiple shock rods. I've broken back here, both arms, front and rear. These Arrmas got to be way better. Either that or I'm just too hard on them. But we're about to take it out and see what it'll do. See you in a minute. Just as promised, we're going to run the Kraton out here. We got a nice, long, flat dirt, and we got some hills over there. We're going to try to ramp it, see what it does. We're going to do some speed runs, and we're going to see how much air we can catch off of it. See how fast this thing goes out of the box running on 6S. We're running these Banggood Zop Power lipos. I don't know if you can see it in here. 4,000 milliamp 30C Zop Power, fully charged, ready to go. We're gonna see what it'll do. And here's going to be our GPS speed. Reset to 0. We're waiting to acquire satellite signals. There it goes, 0. See how fast it'll go. And then we'll hit some ramps with it. So that run, let's see what we did. Straight out of the box, 50 miles per hour, full throttle, 6S, running stock pinion, stock spur. I'm gonna try it again after I change it to the optional high-speed gearing, and we'll see what it does then. I'm gonna say probably what, 55 or so. It says 60 plus right out of the box, but now we're gonna do what we came to do. Go hit some jumps. All right, so you guys seem to take some pretty good air for dirt mound, 50 mile an hour. Now let's see if we can do an impossible hill climb. That's probably, I don't know, 50, 60 feet straight down, all the way across. It's pretty steep too. We're gonna go all the way down there with the car and see if it can make it up here. I know it's not a crawler, but why not? So overall, in the first run, what do I think? Well, to be honest with you, I'm pretty happy with it. It seems to handle amazing, especially mid-air, getting loose up those high banks. It seems to handle really good. Every single one of my Traxxas cars handle like crap compared to the Arrmas. But the Traxxas cars are great for stunts. These are just great for handling. I think I'll be buying a lot more Arrmas from now on. That Arrma's broken. That one's broken. That's the E-Revo. That crawler's in the middle of a rebuild. That one's broken. 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 And that one really doesn't get used that much anymore. But back to the Kraton. Love it. Absolutely love it. You'll be seeing a lot more of it.